If you're looking at the Milwaukee 26-9626 M18 combo kit, here's the honest take after using it and putting it through some real job site style work. This kit basically gives you 6 tools in one system: drill, impact driver, circular saw, sawzall, grinder, and a work light. And right away, the biggest win is the M18 platform. If you're already in Milwaukee's ecosystem, the battery compatibility alone is a huge plus. Power-wise, it's solid. Not the absolute top-tier fuel line, but for most DIY projects, renovations, and even light contractor work, it gets the job done without feeling underpowered. The downside? It's not brushless, so you do lose some efficiency and long-term durability compared to higher-end kits. Also, battery life can feel a bit limited if you're pushing all tools hard in one session. But overall, for the price, you're getting a reliable starter to intermediate kit that covers almost everything. So is it worth it? If you want versatility on a budget, yes. If you want pro-grade performance, go fuel instead.